Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to find Workspace URL in Slack. First, what you want to do is go to your workspace, of course, and once you're here, just need to click on the name of your workspace. So mine is Chevy Tutorials. I'm just going to click on that, and as you can see, there's the name right here and also the email. So what you want to do is click on that, and this will pop up, so you could edit your workspace details. So you could edit your workspace name and of course the URL here. So what you want to do now is copy this. So your workspace URL can only contain lowercase letters, numbers, and dashes. It must contain at least one letter, and it may not start or end with dash. So this is basically the workspace URL. So you need to copy it and you do whatever you want with it. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.